Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to cover Salesforce. We are currently here on the Market Intel website. If you follow the link in our video description, then you can reach our website. You can register here for free and you will receive daily free market updates, Elliott-Wave updates about oil, the stocks, the stock market, cryptocurrencies, the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, and gold. Let's take a look actually at Salesforce. So we click on our stocks category and here you can see the other stocks that we updated as well. If you scroll down, you see the other ones as well. So again, if you register for free, you can get all of these updates and the stocks are updated regularly. Now we have to click on Salesforce. And it's quite an interesting structure at the moment because we're getting probably close to a more substantial top and extensive corrective structures are expected. So let's actually take a look at that. And I would like to start on the 2-day chart. It always makes sense to start on the longer time frame. So we hide that. And here you can see that a larger degree wave 2 finished sort of end of 2022, just as we were heading into 2023. And you see this was a C wave to the downside that basically unfolded throughout 2022 as a 5-wave pattern. Then we had here this ending diagonal in magenta, waves 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And all of this structure completed wave 2 in blue. Wave 2 in blue was a corrective structure that completed likely end of 2022. Therefore, now blue wave 3 should be unfolding. This assumption is valid as long as the $126.34 level is holding. This is a critical invalidation point for the overall bullish thesis on the chart. However, we obviously don't have or don't show the blue third wave on the chart because it's quite a large wave degree here. And as you can see, first of all, we need to complete here this wave 1, which is basically wave 1 of the blue third wave. Then we should get a wave 2 pullback and then a third wave of a third wave rally, which should be a very bullish advance. Now you see here at the moment that we are getting close to the completion of wave 5 of 1. And we are also approaching a previous resistance level, which is this B wave high from this basically unfolding blue wave 2. And this top is at $311.75. We're currently approaching that area. So it will be interesting to see if wave 1 finishes there. As soon as wave 1 tops, if it's clear, there might be another wave 2 support or trading area that we can bring onto the chart. But it's also here quite a large wave degree. If you can, see this, look at the timeline. This wave 1 unfolded or started to unfold early 2023, end of 2022. So also over a year. So this wave 2 could take a long time to play out before then the third wave rally starts to unfold. Just prepare for that. We could be close to the end of this wave 1. Now let's take a look at the shorter time frame. Here we can see why this is an assumption. You see that we are here since November last year, or rather October last year, basically in the last wave up of this wave 1. Now let me go back to the 2-day chart of this wave 1. Yeah. So you see on the 3-hour chart the movement in wave 5 of 1. You can see that, and you see the waves in magenta. Wave 1 completed, wave 2 in November last year. Wave 3 topped in December last year. Wave 4 bottomed this year, and we could be dealing with an extended 5th wave in a 5th wave of this first wave. So we should be very close to completion here, close to completion of this wave 1 before then this wave 2 pullback starts. A confirmation of this start of a wave 2 pullback would basically be a break below this support area or support level at $268.15. But at the moment, the trend is still up, but you can actually see that the market starts to get quite choppy here. So lots of overlapping price action, which is quite typical for such a 5th wave. Now, if we then take a look again on the 2-day chart, just want to stress again the next resistance level because we're approaching it right now here at $311.75. And it basically means that we are overall bullish on Salesforce because we've probably just only started this blue wave 3. I mean, just started, but it's obviously quite a large wave degree, so we're still in the early stages. And it could get really interesting if this wave 2 gets close to completion at some point. It might be something for the watch list. This wave 2, as I said, could be a quite an extensive pullback, and quite a lot of corrective structures, quite extensive and complex corrective structures could unfold here before then this third of a third wave rally could unfold, which would be quite bullish, and that would be the strongest part of this trend, most likely. That's my update about Salesforce. Hope you enjoyed the update, and if you're interested in the daily free Elliott-Wave updates, feel free to use the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.